Okay, today's adventure is at the Indian Lake State Forest, the Barren Oak Trailhead in Florida, of course. It's a relatively new state forest in Marion County. Alrighty, getting ready to enjoy my lunch. Again, pork with mushroom bordelaise sauce, red wine sauce, gazpacho with fresh cilantro. Looks good. It's a hot day. Enjoy this and get back on the hiking trail. Okay, I'm at Indian Lake State Forest, a relatively new state forest. It's only been acquired by the state about 10 years ago, if that. And here's some abandoned building here. I don't know if this once used to be maybe a little private campground. There's a little sinkhole there. Or if this was a hunter's camp, or nice fireplace. I don't know if this could have been maybe part of a Boy Scout camp at some time in the past. A lot of everything stripped out of here now. And you always have the knuckleheads with the graffiti. Well, at least there's a little bit of a positive one there. Don't know what the history of this is. I think the Florida Trailblazer may have a video of this structure too, so I'll check with him, see if he has any information. And here's a view of Indian Lake. Don't know the history of why it's called Indian Lake. I assume there must have been an Indian settlement nearby at some point. Seminole, probably. It looks almost like a park lake. There's not a lot of vegetation or growth along it. I'll go down and see if I can see any interesting animal life. And then I'll videotape if I find anything interesting.